Today's video is going to be about creating our 8x10 goat shed. You can call it a barn, shed, goat house, I don't really care, but this is how you do it. Make sure you come along. Beautiful weather today. We're gonna get the siding finished and the door done so these goats can have a nice shelter to relax in. We have this calf hutch here that we used last night. It's a good temporary solution, but it's not permanent, so that's why we're trying to knock this out right now. We're gonna do this side first and make it flush to the front. That way, when we put the front on, it'll act as like a cover and both sides are all done. Let's get this thing snapped and cut these tops off. So yesterday when I was cutting the top of the boards to make it flush with the frame, it was pretty bad. I'm using a 5.5 inch battery 18 volt circular saw, and it was not cutting. It would go boom, 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 boom. That's a bad description, but it would go and then it would stop, and then I have to keep restarting the machine because it just didn't want to go. And I've had the blade on there since I bought the saw, and it was pretty freaking bad. I've cut things that I shouldn't have cut, and lesson learned, but I went and got a new saw blade, and it just took that out in one go instead of fighting it over and over and over again. Man, it is a little bit rainy out now. Not too bad, you know, just enough to be annoying. But we're gonna try to finish this door up real fast so we can close the goats in tonight. It'll be nice to have them locked in there and secure. So that door was pretty easy to build. I just got it mounted up. Used 2 brackets on here. And they weren't the ideal brackets, but we made it work. I did buy a latch for this, but I can't find it right now. So tomorrow I'll look for it when it's not raining. And if not, we'll go buy a new one. Throw it up here. For tonight, I can just secure it and screw a 3-inch screw to the frame. It'll be secure. The goats aren't going, boom! Cupcake, come on. Let's go. Come on. You're scared of the pup, huh? Stop it. Cupcake. Where is she going? What the heck are you doing, goat? Sometimes I don't know what the heck's going on. But hey, they'll figure it out, right? And they'll get in there. Alright, so with this, we're going to mount it inside, and we're going to use a wire from the outside to unlock it. So I drilled a hole. This bit makes it just through the 4x4, but it doesn't make it through the extra 3/4 inch of the board outside, so I had to measure it so you can drill one hole and not mess it up from the outside. Now I'm going to go get some wire, and I don't really feel like having to break this door down if it closes from the inside. So what I'm going to do is screw it, because I don't want to deal with that. You're going to want to drop down below, hit subscribe, that way you're notified when there's new videos in progress on the shed. We provide new content every Friday. See you next time on Break Free Homestead.